This is my dog. Here we have this paw cleaner. This is the large. She's like between a medium and a large as far as what she needs. And I'm just gonna show you how this works. I've got this filled about to here with water. I could probably do with a little bit less, but I like to start with more because, you know, stuff comes out. Look at these dirty paws from the field. And we're just gonna go. We're just gonna go like that and give you a nice little paw massage. Look at that. Look how well that cleaned things off. Can you see? I mean, she needs a trim, but like, not bad. Let's do the other paw. Let's do it. And you don't need to do it for very long. You can just do that to every paw. Let's get the back ones. And the nice thing is this is like easy to lift up. Look at that. Look at that. Fantastic. You can add a little soap in here if they stepped in something that was like a little extra. I'm gonna do this last paw back here. So much easier. Now, let me show you the inside. Now, if this was really dirty in here and it needed more than like a rinse, you can just pop all of this out. It's dishwasher safe. It washes off so easily. All of these little guys in here are working gently in between those little paw pads. You've also got this up here if I needed to do something like if I needed to scrape some harder to get stuff. It's got this great carrying strap. I like having the large because it can fit most of her leg in there if I need to. This has been such a handy addition. We live out in the country. Stuff like this on hand is key to keeping the house from being grosser than it already is. Hope that was helpful.